Okay, it's not been started in a while, but it should be okay. And you'll see the engine start rev and then obviously go down to its revs within a minute, so which means that obviously it's running okay. So it's got no fuel. And there we go, and it should in a minute just go down. Probably just taking a while because it's there we go. Okay, right, let's have a look at the engine. There we go. Standard n43 engine noise there. It's just bad because it has thousands of pounds spent on it. Let's warm up into it. Just try and get a bit closer.